Once upon a time, in a small town known for its love of classic cars, there was a dilapidated 1969 Chevrolet Camaro hidden away in an old barn. The car had seen better days, covered in dust, with rusted panels, a faded paint job, and a broken engine. But beneath its worn-out appearance, it held the promise of restoration and revival. Word of the Camaro spread throughout the town, reaching the ears of a passionate and skilled mechanic named Jack. Jack was renowned for his expertise in classic car restoration and was always on the lookout for a new project that would challenge his skills. The moment he heard about the Camaro, he couldn't resist the opportunity to bring it back to its former glory. With a glimmer of excitement in his eyes, Jack went to meet the owner of the barn and struck a deal to acquire the Camaro. He wasted no time in getting the car to his workshop, a haven filled with vintage tools and car parts. The restoration journey began with disassembling the Camaro, carefully removing each damaged part. Jack meticulously cataloged every component, determined to restore the car to its original specifications. He knew that sourcing authentic parts would be crucial to maintaining the car's authenticity. Weeks turned into months as Jack painstakingly restored the body of the Camaro, smoothing out dents, repairing rusted sections, and meticulously aligning every panel. The faded paint was stripped away, revealing the vibrant shade of hugger orange that once adorned the car. As the exterior took shape, Jack turned his attention to the heart of the Camaro, the engine. He disassembled the old, worn-out engine and replaced it with a potent V8 powerhouse that would breathe new life into the classic muscle car. The roar of the engine echoed through the workshop as Jack fired it up for the first time, a triumphant moment that signaled the beginning of a new era for the Camaro. The restoration process continued with equal care given to the interior. Jack sourced original upholstery materials, skillfully reupholstering the seats, and restoring the dashboard and trim to their former glory. Every detail was meticulously attended to, ensuring that the Camaro's cabin exuded the same aura of classic elegance as it did in its prime. Finally, after months of hard work and dedication, the day of completion arrived. The Camaro, once forgotten and neglected, emerged from the workshop like a phoenix rising from the ashes. Its vibrant orange paint gleamed under the sunlight, and the engine purred with power and grace. As Jack drove the restored Camaro through the streets of the small town, people couldn't help but stop and admire the beauty and craftsmanship that had gone into its restoration. The classic car had become a symbol of revival, a testament to the timeless allure of vintage automobiles. But the story didn't end there. Jack decided to donate a portion of the proceeds from selling the restored Camaro to a local charity, ensuring that the legacy of the car would extend beyond its gleaming exterior. The Camaro found a new owner who cherished and continued its storied history, passing it down through generations of car enthusiasts, keeping the spirit of classic cars alive. And so, the tale of the classic car restoration became a legend in the town, inspiring others to embark on their own journeys of reviving forgotten treasures and preserving automotive history for years to come.